So since the last video, I got a lot of stuff done on this. Got the throttle put on, got this top fork mount plate and handlebar mount all done. All the holes drilled, that's pretty annoying. And then the light, I made a mount sticks out a little farther so there's a little more space for the handlebar to fit. Otherwise, that's really all. It took a lot of time and I didn't really record all of it. So the hub's all done, and I'm surprised how well this thing fits on there. It slides right on. I used an old spray paint technique. I just sprayed it on there and centered out the holes and drilled them right out. And it's basically perfect. All the holes line up, and it's even all the way around the sides. Yeah.
You're good? Oh, I forgot about how uncomfortable that is. Dude, I should have grabbed that pillow for you. Oh, what was that? Look at that. Look at that motor just hanging in there. She's finally moving. I mean, no brakes, but let's go take her out for a ride. She runs really, really rough. Otherwise, she moves. It is real nice out. Look at this. It's just started fall. Yeah, so this thing I found, let me do the math on this, about a year and a half ago in the ditch. It was a Honda XL70, which I actually have one at home, more videos on that. Oh yeah, so the chain derailed, so I had to run home, get the four-wheeler, grab a couple tools, put the chain back on because I could not roll back home. And then ride that back home, run all the way back to the four-wheeler, and then I gotta drive this thing home, so. Heard something really loud. I wonder who it could be. That thing is ridiculously loud. I thought that was a sport bike going by. Up on the top of the road. I was just putting the welder away. I didn't know if we needed it or not. Go down the hill. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell him it's geared way too high for off-roading. Can't even see my screen right now. He is flying on that thing. Just really dark out. This thing sucks. So I did quite a bit off camera, like the seat mount. Got the seat finally mounted, and there's a short about coloring in the logos. Otherwise, that's really all I did. And I also added a bar lid on the front. Otherwise, yeah, this thing's almost done. It's really close. I still need to pull it all apart and paint the whole frame with probably like POR 15 or something like that. But yeah. So, next video out of this should be the last one. You guys will see the full transformation of out of the ditch to what it's become.